stuck on no command screen. Don't worry. Watch till the end to fix it. Power off the phone. Wait a few seconds. No command appears when trying to enter recovery mode, or when pressing two buttons to turn on the phone. Simple steps, easy to understand. This works on itel and most Android phones. Just try volume up or down with power button. Timing may vary by phone. To reset the phone, select Wipe Data Factory Reset. If no command appears by mistake, select Reboot or Power Off. If it keeps happening, one of the volume buttons might need fixing.